Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to Crafting with Maggie. Collaboration with Unique Whimsy, Don H. Crates, and Left-Handed Crafter. This is week 2 of our altered book project. So, what we're going to do is we're going to share with you either each week how we're making the book and our things that we're going to put in the book, and then at the end we'll show you the completed book. So this week I still haven't decided what I want to make the book yet. So I just made some little cards to go in the book. Either way, if it's not going to be an album. I know that for sure. It may be a junk, not, I don't even call it a junk journal. It's going to be a journal book, I guess. I don't know. We'll see. I have some ideas, but nothing is sticking right now. So what I've done is I've taken a sheet of bloom paper and cut it down 3 by 4. So it's 3 inches by 4 or 4 by 3, however you want to look at it. And I took some Project Life cards that I have on my desk and I glued some to the back so you can have journaling places. So in my head, this is going to be like a little, it's going to be a pocket, and you're going to put these and you can write stuff in there. So this is from the Maggie Home sticker thing right here that I got from a D-Stash. It's the Maggie Homes Gold Foil. It's 1100, over 1100 stickers. So I used that, some washi that I had on hand. This is from the book itself. And I just punched it out with my mason jar punch. I took some more washi that I got in surprise mail from Wonderbar Crafts, and then I just used some stickers from that little sticker thing. On the back is just glued together, so this is how it looks on the back. Then here is another one. This is more simple. It just has hello from the stickers, another little flower that's in the sticker, and then on the back is just this journaling spot, so you can write on the front and or the back, or you can put a little picture here and write on the back, or vice versa. Another thing, I just took some washi tape, used a swan. I was like, if I don't put a swan in one of these projects, people don't think I haven't used Maggie Home paper. And then this is the Project Life cards are not Maggie Homes from my understanding. I don't remember the creator, but I don't think it's Maggie Holmes. I need to find mine and pull it out if I have it. And then on this one, this is just a Project Life card that I use, More Sunshine Please, which is a sticker from Maggie Holmes. And then over here, I just took, it said Aloha, and I just covered it up with this. I like this paper. I'm not sure what collection is from, but it's really pretty. It has those blues in it. That's why I like it. Said the little things are often the biggest things. And I just stamped a bicycle on there. I thought that would be really cool. Then here's another one from the paper, the bloom paper. And what I did is I just stamped the bicycle down and I put finding happiness. You know, sometimes you go for a bike ride, you clear your mind, or you go out and look, you know, just to go out and just ride, and it gives you joy, euphoria. I took some ribbon. This ribbon is like crappy ribbon. I think it, not crappy in the bad way. I think it's supposed to look like that, like it's frayed on the end. And it's like paper ribbon. So I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about. I just glued and taped that down. This said Bloom, and it has a full staple on there, or was staple, and she made copies, however she did it. I just glued it on top, and I took some hearts that I had punched out with this Stampin' Up punch, and glued it down on there. And the back is plain, nothing, so you can write it. I may just glue this down on in the book, I'm not sure yet. And so this is another one, empty blank back. The front has a sticker, another this is a tag punch that I have, and I use some more washi tape. And this is another, this is from the Flourish. It's a stamp, and I just stamped out in red. I thought that would be really cool. That stamp is really nice, even though it's small. And so this is the first, no, this is not the first one. Where's my thing? This is like one of the second ones, second or third ones that I made. This was the first one I made. So usually my first one is like Struggleville, and I'll go back and add to it. I think this is one of my last ones. So this ticket comes from the Dollar Tree, and they're very thin. I thought they were a little bit thick. I had never used this particular one. I think they have different colors, but it's really thin, super, super thin. So I wasn't too happy with that. And then this one, just I used some washi tape. It says amazing. This sticker and that sticker is from the collection. And I just taped it down, and then on the back I glued it, another card. So this is what I've made for week 2 of our altered book. Now for week 3 and 4, hopefully I ramp it up, because on the last reveal I don't want to be like, oh, I don't have anything. I'm sure I won't be like that, but I haven't gotten into a bigger thing because I don't know exactly how I want, like I don't know where I want to take the book. I was thinking nautical, but I did the nautical thing before. And so I don't know how I want the book to be. I want it to be like a journal keepsake book. So that's where I'm headed towards, with all these little tags and things. But we'll see. Maybe I'll come up with something during a weekend. I can work on it and share with you guys for next Friday. Please check out the description box. Go over and show some love to Don and Carla. See what they have created. I'm quite sure something amazing. Until next time, happy crafting.